Yes, please, welcome to my YouTube channel. And I just buck up on a car. Just buck it up. Nice in a Mandalay, son. Nice car. Them car antique. What's the name of the car again, sir? Where's the name? So if you look on it, you see the name. We're not seeing the name, sir. Show me, man, come and see it. You remember the car, Aston Cambridge. This is a cousin of the Aston Morris, don't it? It's a cousin of the Aston Morris, you know? Yeah, call it that, yes. So this is not an Aston Morris, this is an Aston Cambridge. Alright? Nice car in Mandel with buck up on it. Have to feature it. Real car. How long you have this car, sir? How long you have this car, sir? How long you have this car, sir? Okay, the big man say you have it more than 30 years. What 30 years? Still in a good condition, clean. Huh? See, clean. See them clean everything. Clean. Yes, people, share the video, share the video, share the video. Sky blue. Clean, that's all. Aston Cambridge. Still in a good condition. Real legend Aston Cambridge in 1963 model. Yeah man, real legend car this. See there? Sticker up. Man say have you over 30 years now. Sorry, come on. So there you have it, peeps. If you like this, just subscribe to my channel and share this video, alright? And this car is a Aston Cambridge, alright? I have the other version named Aston Morris, but this is a Aston Cambridge, alright? Cool.